All right, y'all, just going over the extra review key here. I'll type in the answers. I've got a lot of stuff in here already. I'm just going to type in the answers so you can see how to calculate it in the calculator again. So calculate POH using OH minus, or POH is negative log of that. So I literally over here hit negative log 2.90 exp negative 11 is equal to 10.54. And remember, use the EE key is really helpful. I just Googled logarithmic calculator on Google to get this. Calculate H plus there, so I'm typing in 10 to the negative 1.49. So clear aggressively, hit 10, then this number, or that key right there, negative 1.49. There's other ways you can do it as long as you're getting the right answer. And this one's okay to leave as a decimal, 0.32. Sorry, 0.032 molar is the concentration there. Okay, 14 minus 762 gives me 6.38. Sorry. And here, same idea, calculate OH minus using POH. So I got 10, hit the, clear, sorry. 10, negative, and then I'm looking at 12.92. Oh, not plus. Is equal to, and this one gave me it in scientific notation, so the way it looks over here is 1.20 times 10 to the negative 13th power, and that's molarity. Calculate OH minus of a solution of 0.23. This one is just equal when I put it in solution. The K and the OH separate. So my concentration of the whole thing, 0.23 m, is the same as the concentration of OH minus. So that's it. What's the POH of that solution? So I'm just taking negative log of 0.23. So over here, negative log of 0.23 is going to give me, why do I keep doing that? I mean, it equals 0.63, I'd say 638. 2 decimal places, okay. This would also be typed as such, 6.38 times 10 to the negative 1 power. And similarly up here, this could also be presented, so I'll put or 3.2 times 10 to the negative, in this case 2 times 10 to the negative 2. Both those are acceptable. What's the pH of solution? Oh, hold on. This one should not be like that. That's my fault. Got POH there, so 14 minus that number. I'm just going to say 6.4 then. Is 10 minus 0.6, or sorry, 14 minus 0.64. It's going to be equal to, sorry, brain. 13.46. Let's big brain it. There we go. All right, here, what's the H plus of 0.23 molar hydroselenic acid? So here it's the same as this one, except because I have this 2 by the H, it's 0.56, 0.23 times 2. So then when I'm doing the pH, I got to take negative log of that. So I get negative log of 0.56 is going to give me 0.25 as my pH, and that's a very acidic solution. This has the basics here. Down here, remember, single-sided means strong. It always separates. Double-sided means weak. And then if HCl is an acid, it's an acid, or H2CO3 is an acid, it's acid, strong and weak. Similarly, double-sided weak, single-sided weak, sorry, strong. Since that's a base and that's a base, it's strong and weak bases, respectively. All right, guys, good luck on the quiz. Love you. Bye.